She'll be here any minute.
You can't have any fun without women. I know. I've been penned up for 4 years.
Oh, yeah? Where, Leavenworth?
No. Princeton. Come on, Joe. Come on. Where is that dame?
She don't answer. She must be on her way up. I'll send her over as soon as she gets here.
All right.
Joe, what is it this time, a sailor?
No, the fleet's in Cuba. This is a cheerleader looking for a good time.
College boy, eh? I'll give him an education. Where is he?
Over there.
Hello?
Did it keep you waiting long?
Oh, about 5 years.
You mean it seemed like 5 years?
No. It seemed like 50. What do you have?
I'll take champagne.
The lady said she'll have a gin fizz. I'll take a whiskey and soda.
What's the matter? You look at me as if you hadn't seen a woman in years.
Maybe I haven't.
Well, they haven't changed models much.
I know that. Seems to me they make them much prettier than they used to.
Hey, Joe. Where's my woman?
They sent her over to your table.
Well, she didn't show up.
There she is.
Oh.
Say, you don't look like a college boy.
And what do you know about college?
Who, me? I taught the football team how to make passes.
Say, Bright Eyes, you're at the wrong table. Joe called you for me.
Who are you and who's...
Come on, we got a date.
Take your hands off me and run along.
Beat it, kid.
How would you like a punch in the nose?
How would you like me to call the bouncer and have you thrown out?
Stand up and I'll show you.
Come on, buddy. You belong with the other
Wait
table.
a minute, a tough guy here.
Say, he was going to take a punch you and you just sat there.
That's right.
How much pushing around do you take before you get sore?
Quite a lot right now.
Well, you won't fight for anybody but a lady.
You're only partly right. I won't fight for anybody.
What's the matter? Afraid of your social position?
No, just come
And I thought you were a gentleman.
on. Don't let the clothes fool you. Look.
What is that, a gag?
No, not exactly. They just don't belong to me, that's all.
Putting on a front.
Well, you can call it anything you like. About 6 hours ago, I was sitting in a prison cell.